All right, folks, I'm out here, of course, in Foley, Alabama, and I'm sitting in front of a Papa John's restaurant.
You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
I'll tell you why I'm here. I watch this channel on YouTube. It's called Scorpion Heat Seeker, and this guy does a lot of fast food, frozen food reviews. And I'm going to go in here and ask them a question related to a product that they sell. So let's go in. All right, we're going in. Hello. How you doing? I just got a question. They're all working back there.
How can I help you?
How you doing, sir? I'm doing this on YouTube, and it's just a question. It's for a good cause, too. Did I say it was for a good cause? There's another guy on YouTube. His name is Scorpion Heat Seeker, and he ordered the Papa John's, I don't know if you guys even still have it, the Reach for the Pie.
Yes, sir.
Pizza with the sauce, right? What is that called? Hootin' Tootin', something like that, right? So now this guy's looking at me like I'm nuts.
With the Rotten Food Ranch, yes, sir.
So if he orders it, what can you show me what kind of box you would put it in?
It goes in our 10-inch box right here.
Can you just hold it up and show it to me?
What is this for?
YouTube. Just YouTube. Yeah.
Toy Story box.
Okay, and do you ever run out of those boxes? You ever run out of those boxes, or every time someone orders that, that's what they get?
Yes.
Yeah, he's in Texas. He ordered one. He was disappointed he did not get the box.
Yeah.
So that's all this is about.
Any 10-inch product, any 10-inch product that goes out in one of those.
Okay. Hey, my name's Paulie.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Well, there's your answer, folks. Here in Foley, Alabama, you will get that box. Scorpion Heat Seeker did not get the box. He was very, very disappointed. Now, some of you might be saying, what's the big deal with the stupid box? Who cares? You're not going to eat the box. Well, if you're doing a review on YouTube and they're advertising a product using Toy Story 5 to sell a freaking pizza, you better have that Toy Story 5 box. What's the point of having Toy Story 5 on a pizza box anyhow? But if you're gonna do it, I mean, if you're gonna advertise it, you best have it. So I stand with Scorpion Heat Seeker in this one. Thank you all for watching.